Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My name is Khalid Umar and I retired from Pakistan Army 26 years ago. There is a lot of questions by Pakistanis to know that there is so-called Chinese intrusions into Ladakh, and previously there was a dispute between troops in the eastern area between Chinese and Indian border at Sikkim, at a place called Nakku La, in which you saw an Indian officer discussing and quarreling with the Chinese officers. After the small incident in the eastern sector, Sikkim sector, the so-called main intrusions alleged by the Indians have occurred. First, they said at 3 points in the Ladakh sector, Aksai Chin border. There, and the Chinese troops have allegedly come across the Indian claimed line, which is absolutely incorrect, as I have tried to find out in the last few days. They have stayed on their side of the border, pitched some tents, parked vehicles because they had moved in the vehicles. No earth moving machinery is visible. No construction of bunkers, fortified bunkers are there. Only with sandbags they have put up few posts, and there are Chinese flags denoting their line which they have adopted. And they are still inside their area. This is even the comments of the international analysts. So first, a few words about what happened in 1962 Sino-Indian War. The war took place at the far northwestern end of the India-China border, or the so-called McMahon line, and then in the far east, northeast, called NEFA, Northeast Frontier Agency, which has been done away with the Indians, and there are provinces of Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim which Indians have usurped, like they have usurped Kashmir since 5 August 2019, most incorrectly, most illegally. But today I will talk about, familiarize you with Ladakh, Aksai Chin area. This is Xinjiang or Xinjiang, Chinese province. All Pakistanis know it. The Khunjra border at Karakoram highway that Pakistani tourists have flocked last year in large numbers. The road goes into the Chinese province of Xinjiang or Xinjiang. The Chinese in 1959 onwards were building a road from Xinjiang through the Aksai Chin plateau to Tibet. So now I will tell you what happened there. If you look at, this is the Aksai Chin plateau. Border incidents happened at Daulat Beg Oldie, below the Karakoram Pass. This is Karakoram Pass. Daulat Beg Oldie, named after a Muslim ruler of Xinjiang who died there after his incursion and invasion of Ladakh area on his way back. So Daulat Beg Oldie, and down below then we have the Choshul Spangar Lake, this area. Choshul Spangar, or it's a lake which the Indians say is being patrolled by the Chinese in boats, which is also incorrect. In 1962, Indian Army was thrashed in the Choshul Spang area, Daulat Beg Oldie area, and down below at a place called Damchuk. This is Damchuk. 1962, I was studying in first year in Military College, Jhelum, So I heard these names: Damchok, Daulat Beg Olti, Shoshul, Spanga, that is the lake. Shoshul is the place nearby and Spanga is the lake. There in the Western Theatre or the Western sector, that is Ladakh sector, clashes took place, and then the Chinese army, after the Indians had provoked them a lot, attacked and overran the Indian armies in a very short time. They got a drubbing of their life there. October 20 onwards, 20th October to about 21st November, 1 month and 1 day, the war lasted. That is, I've told you enough about this area. In the east, the Indians really got a drubbing of their life. There were battles at Thagla Ridge as the Chinese assaulted across Namkachu River. I will cover what happened at Thagla, Namkachu River, Bomdila, Sila, and the thrashing of the 4th Indian Division, commanded by thoroughly unprofessional. He was an ASC, Army Service Corps officer, but he was called Pandit from Kashmir, got settled in UP. This officer became very close to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the Prime Minister, and had been appointed the Chief of General Staff. And then he took over 4th Mountain Division. Later it was converted into a division. They got a thrashing. There was a Major General Patania, whose photograph does appear every now and then, sitting with Captain Musa and Captain Bakhtiar Rana. And as a lieutenant, he was junior most. And so Patania was sacked. Old, present Pakistan won effect. He was sacked. And then there were inquiries. The Indians really in earnest, because Nehru's stature had been brought down. Nehru had ordered the Indian army to throw out the Chinese. When Brigadier Dalvi was taken prisoner of war in the Thagla Ridge area, was Commander 62 Brigade in Nefa. When he was taken prisoner of war by the Chinese army, the Chinese officer came and he was talking to him after making them comfortable. And he said, the Americans couldn't throw us out of Korea during the Korean War. How dare you Indians dreamed of throwing out the great Chinese People Liberation Army. So यहाँ मैं ख़त्म करता हूँ, and that is all for you. I told you about the area. The area is Aksai Chin, Ladakh, Damchok, Choshul Spanga, and these areas. And the other term that is being used and then was being used was the Chip-Chap River Valley. Now the name being used for that is the Galowan River Valley. The Galowan River originates from the Chinese area, crosses into what is Ladakh, and merges with Shyok River, some distance short of Shyok. So these are all tributaries. The Galowan River or the Chip-Chap River drop into Shyok River. Shyok River drops into Indus River, about 40 kilometers east of Skardu, and then flows. And there is another river which figured during the Kargil War, coming from Dras, and that is called Shingu River. So ये मैंने आपको generally बताया, फिर मैं later I will cover more about what happened there and what is likely to happen now, and keep updating you. Thank you very much. So signing off is Brigadier Retired Khalid Umar to my dearest Pakistanis. Allah Hafiz.